Your coding skills just became your biggest liability. In 2025, something shifted. Companies stopped hiring traditional coders. Not because they ran out of work, because the work changed. The developers getting promoted aren't the ones writing the most elegant code anymore. They're the ones who learn to think like an AI. They're the ones who understand how to augment their brain with tools that write faster, smarter, and with fewer bugs. If you're still coding the way you learned 5 years ago, you're already falling behind. And your employer knows it. 2 years ago, AI coding was a novelty. A shortcut. Something hobbyists played with on weekends. Then GitHub Copilot hit 1.2 million paid users. Then Claude launched its extended API. Then enterprises started measuring productivity metrics and realized something shocking. Developers using AI assistants were shipping features 40 to 60% faster than those coding manually. McKinsey's 2024 report found that organizations embracing AI-assisted development cut their time to market by nearly half. That's not incremental. That's transformational. Suddenly, the choice wasn't between good developers and better developers. It was between adapting or becoming obsolete. Here's what corporate decision-makers won't say in meetings: they're not choosing AI-assisted developers because those developers are smarter. They're choosing them because they cost less per feature shipped. A developer using AI tools can maintain twice as much code. Can debug faster. Can refactor without creating technical debt. Gartner's 2025 Developer Productivity Report shows teams using Copilot-style tools reduced bug rates by 35% while increasing feature velocity. Translation: fewer defects, faster shipping. From a business perspective, that's not a choice anymore. That's basic math. Companies that don't adopt AI-assisted development will lose market share to those that do. AI coding isn't robots writing your entire code base. It's not removing human judgment. It's autocomplete on steroids. Real developers using AI tools still architect systems. Still make decisions. Still own the code quality. What they don't do is waste cognitive energy on boilerplate. They don't spend 3 hours on implementation details that an AI can generate in 30 seconds. A developer using Claude or Copilot spends less time typing and more time thinking about what matters: architecture, edge cases, user experience. The developers staying employed are the ones who treat AI as a thinking partner, not a replacement. They're prompting it correctly. They're evaluating its output. They're catching its mistakes before they ship. That's the skill that matters now. Manual coders, pure human-only developers, are now carrying organizational risk. Not because they're bad coders. Because they're slow coders. In a 2025 Slack survey of 2,100 developers, 78% said AI tools have become integral to their workflow. That means the other 22% are outliers. And outliers get noticed during layoffs. When you're shipping features at half the speed of your AI-augmented peers, and earning the same salary, the math becomes brutal for your company. It's not malicious. It's not personal. It's economics. Teams that adopt AI-assisted development can do more with fewer people. Companies facing margin pressure will choose efficiency every time. The developers who rejected AI tools are now competing against versions of themselves that evolved. The developers with job security right now aren't the ones who code the fastest. They're the ones who learn to prompt correctly, who understand LLM limitations, who can translate vague requirements into precise instructions for AI models, who review AI-generated code with real scrutiny, who know when to use AI and when to write manually. That's the new baseline competency. Companies are actively recruiting for prompt engineering skills now. Not in 5 years, now. LinkedIn saw a 70% spike in job postings mentioning prompt engineering between 2024 and 2025. The future isn't AI versus humans. It's humans who know AI versus humans who don't. One group is building the next decade. The other is updating their resume. This isn't a warning about AI replacing coders. It's a warning about coders replacing themselves by ignoring AI. The industry has shifted. The tools are here. The only question left is whether you'll evolve with it or become a cautionary tale. Your next move starts now. If you want more videos like this, subscribe and follow. Oops, it's AI. See you in the next one.